Hi guys, this is Janine Touch again, and I want to show you how to do a golden milk. Golden milk is actually turmeric powder with milk and some black pepper, and I spice it up with cinnamon powder for added flavor to it. For this, we will use a Daiso tea bag. I would like to make my own turmeric tea using the Daiso, and I will show you how to do it. I'm going to show you three versions of how I do my golden milk. But first, let me show you how to prepare the Daiso tea bag. So let's start. Let's do like 3 batches so that we can easily follow the procedure and how to do the tea bag. This tea bag from Daiso actually cost me only 88 pesos for 100 pieces. So it's really very cost effective. Kung walang Daiso na malapit sa inyo, you can order online or any other tea bag will do. So let's start the process. So I add half a teaspoon, so 1 teaspoon actually, this one, of the turmeric powder, and added the cinnamon powder. This is just randomly adding the cinnamon powder according to how much I would like. So ito is only a pinch of it. I would want not a very strong flavor out of it because I want to taste the turmeric more than the cinnamon. So if you notice guys, it's just easy to do a little bit of folding here and there, and that's it. You secure the powder inside the tea bag. Let's do it one more time. So first add 2 heaps spoon of this kind of spoon into the tea bag. Then add the cinnamon. It will also be easier guys if you have a measuring tool for the cinnamon, so that you can actually know which taste serves you better. So that's it. We already made 4 or 3 tea bags. Doesn't look like our usual tea that we have in the market, but it serves the purpose. And I saw some research that adding fat to your turmeric tea will add more benefits, and it will be more soluble, and the body can actually absorb the nutrient. So I have here prepared a mug, and then a teaspoon, then the milk, the cinnamon powder. So let's start the tea. Let us put 1 tea bag in the cup, and we already have water currently now being boiled and reaching the boiling temperature. So try natin gawin ito. This is like a milder version of turmeric tea because we are using a tea bag. However, if you want to use a more stronger one, you can actually use the powder straight away to the boiling water, and in that way it's a little bit messy because the color of the turmeric easily stains. So you need to have some protection like tissues that will cover the table so as to avoid any disaster in the stain of the turmeric powder. So now let's just allow it to steep for least 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, and give it a stir, and it will give you gradually the yellow color that you want. If you want it to be a stronger yellow color, then you just steep it for a little while. If you want a milder one, then you steep it for like 3 to 5 minutes only. For me, in my case, I want it a little lighter because it's still early morning, so I want to break my fast with this. Hey. This is a fresh harvest of a turmeric root, which can easily be turned into a turmeric powder. So after the tea bag has steeped for about 5 minutes, this is how it looks like. It's just light yellow because I want it to be only milder. So see how the tea bags turn out. It become compact, making it more solid. So if you can see, the tea bags look like that. It is for me a nature's gift to humankind in order to obtain an optimum health. And it is readily available. It's not expensive as other foods are in the market. So I would highly recommend that you try this turmeric tea. Let us add in the fat source, and for now I am using this carnation milk, but if you see, guys, you can really use other form of fat. One of my favorites also is the almond milk because it's high in fat and very low in carbs. We'll just give it a stir. And voila! That is your golden milk. I partnered it with my low carb bread, and it is really delicious. We can actually reuse the tea bags. So in another setting, if you want another drink, you can just put in the previously used tea bags, and this time I use 2 tea bags so as to have a more yellowish color. This time I'm using almond milk as my fat source. So you can use any milk or any fat. Coconut oil will also do. Remember that it always works well with fat and a dash of ground black pepper. So you must have ground black pepper in handy so that you can enhance the benefits of the turmeric tea. If you think that having ground black pepper in your drink is weird, just give it a try. It will give a little bit of spiciness in your drink. It really doesn't matter. It doesn't taste too much. It's not overpowering. So just give it a try. Or you can skip the ground black pepper. So this is a different version I did when I wanted to have more thick or more fat added to my turmeric. So I boiled 1 cup of coconut milk in a pan and added the ingredients: the turmeric powder, the cinnamon powder, and the black pepper powder. And this is how it turned out. It's more yellowish and it's more thick. With this version, I can only take 1/4 of a cup. So the batch that I cooked went on for a few more servings. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to add turmeric in your meals.